NS32 is a mirror light that can be used for general lighting, and it is typically installed upon the mirror. If we look closer to the luminaire itself, it has a front of opal, which means that in this case here, the light is basically distributed throughout 120 degrees beam angle. So it's really even light that you have from this front glass. Another thing to mention where the luminaire becomes a little bit more exciting is for renovation projects, because it actually comes with a EU socket, and the socket here is mainly used for, let's say, if you need to have power for a shaver or something like that, you can use this socket here, and then you do not have to have a socket in the wall, which makes the project cheaper. So renovation projects, for sure, a great solution. Another thing is also it comes with a sensor if that is needed. So when you enter the room, this light will turn on or off. On the back side, we have the terminal area where we can have installation of 2 cables. We can also just have installation of 1 cable, depends on the situation. The luminaire itself is a luminaire that is low priced, so this is mainly used for, let's say, bigger quantity projects, and you can either have it with or without the EU socket and with or without the sensor.